Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor grilling with a detailed review of the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The Weber Original Kettle charcoal grill is a classic grill that has been a favorite among barbecue enthusiasts for decades. This 22-inch grill combines traditional design with modern features, making it an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys the smoky flavor of charcoal grilling. With the capacity to hold up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press, it's perfect for family gatherings or backyard parties. One of the standout features of this grill is its durable, plated steel cooking grate. Crafted from premium steel, this cooking surface is designed to withstand the rigors of frequent grilling sessions. Whether you're cooking up burgers, steaks, or veggies, you can trust that this grate will provide a resilient surface for all your grilling needs. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of grilling: cleanup. Weber has equipped the original kettle with a one-touch cleaning system, which includes an aluminized steel ash catcher. This system makes ash removal effortless, allowing you to enjoy more time grilling and less time cleaning up. The ash catcher is designed for longevity and resistance to corrosion, ensuring that your grill remains in great condition for years to come. The durability of this grill is further enhanced by its porcelain-enameled lid and bowl. These components are engineered to withstand high temperatures while effectively retaining heat. This means you can achieve that perfect sear on your steaks without worrying about the grill losing its temperature. Plus, the bowl and lid are rust-resistant and won't peel, providing you with a long-lasting grilling companion. Another thoughtful detail on the Weber Original Kettle is the glass-reinforced nylon handles. These handles are crafted with precision and built to endure the heat and demands of frequent use. You'll appreciate their sturdy design as you lift the lid or move the grill around your yard. Speaking of mobility, the grill features all-weather wheels that allow for easy maneuverability. This means you can easily reposition your grill to catch the best sunlight or relocate it when the party moves indoors. Additionally, the integrated tool hooks provide a convenient storage solution for your grilling utensils, keeping everything organized and within reach. The rust-resistant aluminum damper on the grill allows for effortless regulation of airflow, which is crucial for controlling the temperature while cooking. And let's not forget the angled lid hook, which allows you to hang the lid while you're grilling, so you don't have to place it on the ground or risk it getting dirty. So, who is the Weber Original Kettle charcoal grill suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of charcoal grilling, this grill meets a variety of needs. It's perfect for family cookouts, casual gatherings with friends, or even just a quiet evening of grilling for yourself. If you love the rich, smoky flavor that only charcoal can provide, this grill is an excellent addition to your outdoor cooking equipment. In practical use cases, imagine hosting a summer barbecue where you can grill up a perfect feast for family and friends. With ample cooking space, you can create a diverse menu, from burgers and hot dogs to grilled vegetables and even pizzas with a little creativity. The Weber Original Kettle allows you to experiment and enjoy the art of grilling. In summary, the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill is a timeless choice for anyone who values quality, durability, and delicious food. With its thoughtful features and classic design, it's a grill